we use half angle identity. Half angle identity. Sin xy theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Here we have theta is equal to 2x plus 5. This is theta. So the integral we can write is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2x plus 5 by 2 dx. We can simplify also 1 by 2 integration of 1 minus cos 4x plus 10 dx. Then now we can integrate term by term, and then we can write 1 by 2 integration of 1 into dx minus integration of this cos 4x plus 10 dx is equal to 1 by 2 1 का integration x minus cos का integration sin. So sin 4x plus 10 by 4 is constant, so plus c and simplify we can write x by 2 minus 1 by 8 sin 4x plus 10 plus c. This is your answer. Next problem is here. This integral is solved by using formula. We use formula sum identity sin a into cos b equal to, we know that 1 by 2 sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, where a equal to CBSE and then b equal to cos x. So by this formula we can write this integral sin 3x into cos 4x dx is equal to 1 by 2 sin 3x plus 4x plus sin 3x minus 4x dx is equal to 1 by 2 is constant, so automatic integral, and here solve sin 7x plus sin minus x dx. So 1 by 2 this can write this in separate form, sin 7x into dx, where sin minus theta is equal to, we know that minus 2 sin minus theta. So sin x dx integrated 1 by 2 sin integration cos 7x minus cos 7x by 7, and there minus and the sin integration minus cos x plus c, since integration of sin ax dx is equal to minus cos ax divided by minus divided by a. So and this simplify we can write 1 by minus 1 by 14 and cos 7x and minus plus 1 by 2 cos x c. This is your answer. Next problem. Also here we give formula for cos A and cos B equal to number 1 to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So that division cos 2x cos 4x into cos 6x into 3x is equal to number 2 cos A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 4x. So cos 3x plus 4x plus cos 2x plus 4x, and this is also into cos 6x 3x and simplify, but we got of cos 6x plus cos minus 2x cos 6x 3x, and we complete multiply cos 6x into cos 6x and plus this is plus cos 2x plus cos 2x because cos minus theta is equal to cos theta, and cos 6x to dx. Okay, so here you can get 1 by 2 division of cos x squared 6x, plus also we use formula for this, and we can write cos 2x plus 6x, and here 1 by 2, and then cos 2x minus 6 dx equal to 1 by 2 division of, here we use formula for cos x squared theta is equal to, we know that cos x squared theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So here we can write 1 plus cos 2 and theta is here 6x. So n by 2, and also 1 by 2 and cos 8x plus cos minus 4x dx is equal to 1 by 2 integration of, this is that separating the form simplify 1 by 2 plus cos 12x by 2, where 1 by 2 cos 8x plus 1 by 2 cos 4x dx, and then simplify and integrate 1 by 2, where 1 by 2 x plus 1 by 2 and cos integration sin 12x by 12 plus 1 by 2 cos integration sin x by 8 plus 1 by 2 plus sin 4x by 4 plus c, and we simplify, and the final answer is 1 by 2 x by 2 plus 1 by 14 sin 12x plus 1 by 16 sin 8x plus 1 by 8 sin 4x plus c. And this is your answer.